Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you all the easiest and most beautiful way of tying the top 10 types of hair in the world. Watch the video completely. Stay on the video till the end. Only then will you be able to learn. Watch and learn how I am making your hair. You can also make your hair like this by looking at my hair. With this method, you can look beautiful among all. Everyone's look will be seen on you. You will look in a different style among all. We have made the video for you only. Enjoy the whole video. And send my video to your friends too, so that they can also learn this way of tying hair. And along with this, subscribe to the channel and like the video. And make a lovely comment, so that I get motivation so that I can make more new types of videos. And I can teach you people. Thank you.